Here's the second video on my little Better Homes and Gardens table fan that's 8 inches. Made of metal, of course. So this fan, I'm assuming this one got I'm assuming this is one of the fans that got the most views. I'm assuming it got more views than the 12-inch one that I have, and the pedestal model. As you can see, both of them are right there. Unfortunately, like I said in the first video, this does not come in black or, yeah. And just for a size comparison, here are them both side by side. This is basically the big brother version of that one. There is now this one actually, I don't know if you remember, but I did find one that's black and had wooden finished blades. But that one was just online, it wasn't in person. And then these fans are also sold these fans are also sold in Indonesia under Crispo, or whatever the brand is called. Not only do they have the 8-inch and the 12-inch version, they also have a 14-inch version, so shout out to the fan universe if you are watching. But yeah, this is 2024 version with this switch type. Not like slider switch, and then like, when Mainstays made these back in 2016, they did not have a cloth cord, and they just had a regular like cord, like high velocity fans. And there's the back of it. Oscillator pin. And then the warning label right here too. Not to expose to water or rain. And then of course it has the oscillator sticker thing, which also has the 12-inch film also has. And it's got a little Better Homes and Gardens label on the bottom right there. And the model number is, model SFDR0-200 APT. But if you want to see the model number, is it's right there. And it also has a lighter cloth colored cord. There's a 12-inch one for reference, and this is it's also got a replaceable fuse plug. So now we'll go ahead and start the fan up, starting out with low speed. Now, is this fan pretty well balanced? I'm not sure. It's going as fast right now as the 12-inch version on high speed. And there's a tiny little bit of bearing noise, as you can hear. Or we can't hear it, but it's there. And then here's the oscillation. I only demonstrate the oscillation at high speed, but yeah. Here's medium. It's still very quiet. It's still pushing a good breeze. This is a perfect size for a small table, or this is like the perfect size for a desk or an office. Yeah. And here's high speed. moving a lot of it around fine now. It's also making a really nice sound too. Oscillation once again. Yeah, that's powerful. Sounds kind of like an airplane or a lawnmower. And off. Yeah, there's a tiny little bit of background noise. I don't know if you heard that, but yeah. So, thanks for watching. Okay, so yeah. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.